Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on how I thought the first day of distance learning went, and then also give you a couple reminders before I let you go ahead and do your assignment for today. So first of all, I just wanted to say that I was very happy with the amount of people that signed in and completed all of their work yesterday. There were also quite a few people who signed in and did some of their work yesterday, but not all of it, which is okay. But for those of you who did only complete part of it, I want to remind you that the Saturday deadline is not there so that you can push all of your homework off until Saturday and then do all of it, okay? If you do that, you're going to end up being overwhelmed and you're going to end up not getting all of it done, okay? So I can highly suggest that you do all of your homework when it is posted. It should be only about 20 minutes a day from science, and it will be significantly easier for you to stay on top of things if you just do it right away and get it done with. All right? And then for those of you who have not posted anything, I need you to post, at least finish your bell ringers, okay? Because if you don't post anything in the next couple days, you're going to be getting a phone call home to your parents saying, so-and-so hasn't been on Google Classroom. We're worried that they're not participating in their online schoolwork, okay? So I need to be able to see that you have access to this stuff, so please at least do your homework from Monday, which is an ed puzzle, and from today, which is going to be a short quiz on the at-home learning letter. Okay, so I really need you to submit those two things so that I know that you've been on Google Classroom and doing your work. And then the other question that a lot of people have been asking is, how many times do I have to sign into Infinite Campus to do my attendance? The important thing is not the amount of times you sign into Google or into Infinite Campus. The important thing is that you are doing your attendance for each class. So as 7th graders, you should all be in science, you should be in a social studies class, you should be in a math class, an English class, an elective, and then also maybe gym, band, or choir. And so you have to mark yourself present in all of those, okay? Does that make sense? If it doesn't, please email me and I'll try to help you out some more. Remember that in the tutorials topic, there is a section that has a video to show you how to do your attendance on Infinite Campus if you need help with that. And then with that being said, I'm just going to show you a couple other things really quickly. So if I'm on my class homepage, remember that you always want to go to classwork. This is the easiest way to organize your homework. And I'm going to go to Monday, March 30th. What I'd like to show you is that when you're completing an ed puzzle, in order to submit it, you have to click this button right here, mark as done. This is super important. You need to mark as done. If you don't mark it as done, to me as the teacher, it looks like you are still working on it, all right? Now, if you mark this as done and you haven't actually completed it, I can also tell that. But if you don't mark it as done, it looks like you're still working on something. So please mark your work as done. Otherwise, that's all I needed to show you for that. Today, you are going to be doing another bell ringer, so please complete that. And then your assignment will be a quiz on Google Classroom. It says read over the at-home learning letter that is posted under General Information tab. It is important information about how our online class will look. Then complete the attached Google quiz. So one thing I would really like to make clear is that for online learning, it's extremely important that you read the directions, okay? So please read all of the directions that I write very carefully. So it says read the at-home learning letter that is posted under General Information tab. So first, I'm going to go to General Information and I'm going to read this online letter. All right, I have the online letter here. Now, once I finish that, I'm going to go back to the quiz and then I can open the quiz and, whoops, that's the same tab. Come on, Miss Cher. All right, assignment, quiz. Okay, so now I'm going to take the quiz. I did not put this on a locked browser because I want you to be able to look at this information. I will use locked browsers eventually, but this one is not locked intentionally. So then go ahead and take this quiz. This at-home learning letter and this quiz is all you need to do, or Google form, it's not really a quiz, but it's on Google Forms, is what you need to do for today. On Tuesdays, you will be reading short articles and filling out a Google form about the readings, okay? So we're still going to follow that pattern that you see right here, all right? Any questions, please email me. Remember, my office hours are from 10 to 12 and 2 to 4. Oh, one other thing I'd like to remind you about. If you sign up to have a video conferencing with me, you need to be present for that, okay? It is totally optional. You don't have to do them, but if you want to talk to me and ask me questions, I need you to actually show up for those Google conferences so that I'm not just sitting in a video chat for 15 minutes waiting for you to show up and then no one shows up. So if you sign up for one of those, write down the time, set a reminder on your phone, put it on your fridge, something, so that you remember that you have to do that Google call with me, all right? All right, good luck. Have a great Tuesday.